Changing your email on Afterpay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Afterpay website or open the app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option. This is usually found in the menu or profile section of the website or app. Step 3. Select email preferences. In account settings, find the section labeled email preferences or contact information. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new email, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Follow any instructions in that email to verify the change. Once you have completed these steps, your email address will be updated in your Afterpay account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Afterpay customer support for assistance.